for today's video, I am going to show you how to make intro using CAPCUT, and it's easy and free. So let's start. We need to go to CAPCUT application. Just tap CAPCUT and you need to go to templates. Tap templates. Once you're here, you go to search box and start to type intro smoke effect. Once you're here, we are going to choose this template. Yan, that one. Alright, and then you click that. This is how it looks like. And now we are going to start editing. You just need to tap use template and you'll see your photos or your logos. I'm going to choose mine. Once you're done choosing, you just need to tap next. And this is how it looks like. Next step is to change the text. So you need to tap the text and start typing your channel name. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm gonna type my channel name, which is Nikki Gamelia. Now, once you're done, as you can see, you can change the color, the font. And there's a lot of free font here in CAPCUT. You can just choose whatever you like. And here now, I'm gonna duplicate the text so that I can add the subscribe text. I'm just gonna align it properly. Then start to edit. Type subscribe. Here, I'm going to change the color to color red, just like that. And I'm gonna change the font also. I'm gonna search for a nice font here. And once I'm done, I just need to tap check. Start to align your text. Of course, you can make it smaller, bigger, it's up to you guys. And now to see the result, you just need to tap play, just like that. Now, if you're already satisfied with the intro video, you can go to export. If you don't like to have watermark, you just tap export without watermark. And it will bring you to TikTok application directly. And if you see these tools in the side, you just need to scroll down to search for the save button. Just tap the save and it will go to your album. To check if it's already saved, just go out to the TikTok and go to your photos or gallery. And now I'm searching for it to check if it's already saved. And that's it. We just make an easy and free cool intro made in CAPCUT for free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.